I often have a discussion with my clients about probate fees and their questions about death taxes. And firstly, the simple point is that in Canada there are no death taxes. There are, of course, in other nations, the United States, Europe, most places, I suppose. But in Canada and in Ontario in particular, there are probate fees, estate administration tax. And what it is, it's a fee that is based upon the value of the estate for the province's kind services to grant you probate, to appoint the executor, certificate of appointment, so that any banks, institutions, land registry, all understand that the court has appointed you pursuant to the will. It is the last will, and they can rely upon this. Probate fees are, in Ontario, 1.5%. So on $1 million estate, there would be $15,000 payable. And this is not an estate tax as such, it's simply an administrative tax. Now you can see that it's certainly trying to avoid paying this is something reasonable to consider, but I often get questions about, oh, well, should I put my home in my son's name to avoid the probate fee? And the answer to that is always no, because otherwise it would be a gift to your child, and if they were to divorce, there would be a claim against it, or if they were sued. And of course, it also takes away your complete control of your own property, because you've placed it either solely in your child's hands or jointly, so it will flow to them upon death. But this also means that you can't sell it or mortgage it without their permission. And technically, legally, the lawyer handling the sale or the mortgage would have to be agreeable and get direction from your child to give you the money, because they're on title as to half. So as far as in a probate avoidance, it's generally advised against. I'd be happy to discuss this in further detail if you wish.